Today we welcomed back to the farm a tractor that was originally sold here 40 years ago by Nelson Alexander. This 1959 Power Manger, now 65 years old, has been well maintained and serviced over the years by its local owner. It's still running as strong as ever. It's now worth well more than it was originally sold for. We were delighted to see it back at work on our farm today. I don't know much about ploughing, but I would say that's a fair, tidy job.
It's a working man I am, and I've been down on the ground, and I swear to God if I ever see the sun, or for any length of time, I can hold it in my mind. Never again will go down underground. At the age of 64, he will greet you at the door. He will gently take you by the arm through the dark recess of the mind. He will take you back in time, and he'll tell you of the hardships that were had. It's a